Hello traders, so welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video we are going to take one trade with our strategy and I'm going to explain you in detail about the setup. So without wasting any time, let's get started. This is Euro US dollar chart and I'm analyzing 1 minute candlestick time frame. As you can see on the chart, this is a clear uptrend situation and market is showing a good price action. So our aim from the very beginning is to trade in the direction of the trend. Now after that, as we now have acknowledged that the trend is uptrend and we want to place our trade in the direction of the trend, which is uptrend in this case, we are going to find confluences that will support our view, like a support level, a weak price action and a reversal candlestick pattern. So we will focus on that to find a reversal pattern so that we can place a reversal trade in the upward direction. We are going to take a 5-minute expiry trade and let's first understand and draw some key levels here. So as you can see, this is a good uptrend market and as of now I cannot see any strong support level and we will have to wait for the market to get weak as well. Right now you can see that the market is getting rejection, but it is creating strong bearish candlestick, which means that the trend is now moving strongly in the downward direction, but the overall trend is uptrend. So we will wait for the market to get weaker. When the momentum will be weak, we'll try to find a good strong support level, and as soon as we got a strong candlestick confirmation in the sides of the bulls, we are going to place a 5-minute trade. So right now, as you can see, market is getting rejection. This is quite a good support level to me and market is very near. There is also a whole number which you can see right now market is at, but it is going to take some time. So what I will do, I'll just wait for the market to get weak, hit a support level and give us a strong candlestick confirmation, and then we are going to place a trade. So let's wait. So we have placed our trade, we got the confirmation candle here. Now let's wait for the result, and after the result I will explain you in detail why I took this trade here. So let's wait. So we have lost this trade, unfortunately. Now this is a perfect example of that no strategy can work 100% of the time, because I have made money over the same setup in the past not so many times. Now as you can see, the setup which I was working was very simple. I saw a steep move in the market was falling and it crossed. It also broke the higher low swing here, it also broke this higher low swing here and it hit that support level. This was also a higher low swing. For me these levels are really strong and this was a sharp move. And that's why I was thinking that in the beginning the trend was actually uptrend, but as soon as market broke all these higher low swings, the trend was actually downtrend. But as I have discussed it so many times previously, that whenever you see a steep move in the market, you always wait for the market to get weak and to hit a strong level, because at that time you will going to get a good opportunity, because market cannot move in a single direction, it has to retrace back. That was the same case. This was a sharp move. I was thinking to take a reversal trade in the opposite direction, because previously it was the uptrend, but here it was the downtrend because it already broke the higher low swings. So the reason why I took this trade is because of this sharp move. I was thinking that market needs to recover, market needs to rest for some time, because there has to be some profit booking, but it didn't happen. Market broke the support level and it is moving strongly right now. Now let me discuss this setup first. So the setup was simple. Market was moving strongly in the downward direction. I thought that market needs some retracement. I tried to find opportunities here and on this level, on this strong support level, I found a good strong confirmation by the buyers. I placed a 5-minute trade here, thinking that, as you can see, the market was weak here. Market already broke so many level, and I was thinking that market needs some retest, and that's why with this confirmation I took a 5-minute trade. But as you can see, the volume is really high and the sellers are really motivated. They broke the support level instantly and it is still falling very strongly. So I have made money over the same setup a lot of time in the past, but today we failed because nothing is 100% in trading. So that is it about this trading setup, and I hope that you have learned something new. And let's see if we can find other opportunity. This is a good strong support level, and I think we can surely take a trade. The reason is simple, and we will going to take a 5-minute trade here. The reason why I'm taking a trade here, because the setup is same, the concept that I'm using is same. Market is moving so strongly in the downward direction, it need some rest here, and that's why a strong level can help us. This is actually a very strong level. If you look carefully, you can see that previously market moved very sharply from this level. The same thing happened here. Market was falling sharply, and here after hitting this level, market actually reverses very quickly, and that's why I placed a trade here for 5 minutes. This is a good confirmation candle. Market was not able to break this level, although the trade is still running against our analysis, and this will going to be our last trade on this session, because I usually take one trade, but as I think that market should be reversing, I took another one using the same concept here. I didn't change the concept. I'm working over the same setup to take a reversal trade because the move is very sharp and market needs some rest here. So let's wait for the result. The result will be out in the next 3.5 minutes, and let's see what's gonna happen, as we have already lost one trade. Let's see if we can have a winning trade here, because this is going to be the last trade. Otherwise, if it didn't work here, it means that according to my strategy, I am failing on today's market, because market conditions can be different in different days. So let's wait for the result. The result will be out in the next 3 minutes. So let's hope for the best, and as soon as I get the result, I will explain you one more time about the whole scenario. So let's wait. So we have lost this trade again, and both of the trade that we have taken on this trading sessions are the one that makes us lose money. So the concept is still the same here as well. Market needs to retrace back. It is going to retrace back, but right now I'm not in a position to take another trade because my risk appetite is finished. I have lost $1,000, but that is not to, I don't have to like take it personally, because if I try to take revenge from the market, I'm going to lose more. It's better to stop trading right now. Although the setup is still the same, market needs to reverse back. Now for those who are beginner, they are going to increase the amount to take one more trade, because the setup is still the same and they want to recover the money that they have lost. But I will not do that, because I know that tomorrow I have to trade again, and for that I need money in my account, and that's why I will not revenge trade here. Although I'm very sure that market is going to retrace in the future, and the time is very near, because you can see this is very sharp move in the market, and we are going to get a reversal, and the intensity will be very high. I am very much sure about it, but will not take the trade because my risk appetite is finished. In this case, the same thing happened. Market needs some retracement. It hit a strong support level. You can see this is visible without even look. If you don't know about like finding key support or resistance level, you just know the overall chart, you will say that this is a point where market reverses, which means that you will say that it might be the case that market will reverse again from this level. So you can expect a reversal by just looking at the chart from this zone. Market hit the same level, it gives us a good confirmation. This, for me, this was a good confirmation candle, and market in this case already reverses from the support level. The breakout didn't happen, and that's why I placed a 5-minute trade. The one thing that I want to point out is that here you will see that market was not weak previously. In this case, when I took a trade for 5 minutes here, market was actually weak. The reason why I didn't wait for the market to get weak here is because this is very strong level according to me, and I can say that this is kind of they hold the power like an extreme level, and we all know that when it comes to extreme level, they can reverse the trend, complete trend, and that's why I believe on that concept and took the trade. But it was a mistake because market broke the level again and hit the next support level, which you can see is here. Now this is also visible from your eyes only. You don't have to draw a key support level here. It's quite visible clearly, and here you can see that market is getting weaker. This is a sign of weakness. Now let's predict the future. I'm not going to take a trade here, I'm just going to remove. This is a position, this is a strong support level. Market goes down. For me, market will retrace back no matter what, because this is a required situation in this particular chart situation. And for me, this is the recent resistance level. You can see this is the recent support resistance level, and once market broke this level, it is going to fly high in the upward direction. I am very sure it might be the case that I will lose, but for me, the more market is falling, the chances of it reversing back increases. For me, here I'm expecting that 95% chances are there that market will start retracing back. Now, like we can say that 90%, not 95, but I will not take the trade. The reason, because I have finished my appetite. So controlling the management is important when it comes to a trading account. Money management is a key thing to remember, and you can see that market is now moving very, like it's moving uniformly, but it is trying to retrace back. Now as soon as market the volume kicks in, it will start going very strongly in the upward direction. That is my anticipation. I'm not saying this is what is going to happen, but for me it should be happening because a retracement is required in this case according to the price action. So that is it about today's session, and I think that you have learned something new, which is to keep your money in control. Don't try to take revenge from the market even though you are sure that you are going to win the trade, because you have to trade tomorrow as well, and for that you will going to need some money. So there are days then when you are out of luck, and I can say that today is the day that I am out of my luck because I was working on a good setup. I have made money using the same setup in the past, and here this is happening when I decided that I will not trade. I think that the chances of market retracing back are going higher. So that is it for today, and I hope that I have given you some value after this trading session, and I will advise you to apply these smaller things in your trading journey because this is going to help you. I have learned these things the hard way, and controlling the emotion is not easy, but as we all know that you have to have the emotions in your control in order to be a successful trader. I am on my path to be a successful trader. I don't call myself a successful trader, but I have gained some experience over the last 7 years, which I try to share every day through my trading session. And thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video. Till then, keep trading, keep working hard. Good day.